Hmm. Well, I don't have my music. Well, in theory we can. Let me see. Winamp, Winamp for Mac. I think it exists. I think so. Is my voice too loud? Hmm. The fact that I cannot use the same shortcuts is so weird. Um, no, 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 no. What is saying? Winamp download for Mac. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Download, click on start. Free download. Download has started. Do you want to download? Okay. Yeah, the Mac is strange anyway. The Mac is I don't know, it works differently for a lot of stuff. Um, Let me see. Trying to download winamp.sit. What is a sit? There is no application set to open a document. Winamp.sit. Oh my god. How do I open a sit file? Mac, how to open sit file. Hmm. Trying to open a sit file. How do I open sit files? To extract or expand a sit archive, you simply open it with Stuffit Expander. Hmm. So we need. Let me go to. Let me show you what I'm doing. Scene. So we cannot open. I wanted to install Winamp. It's saying that we need a Stuffit Expander. What is Stuffit Expander? Hmm. Staffit. Staffit Expander for Mac. Hmm. Get. Install. Meanwhile, I should go to sign in required. Oh my god. Who remembers this? Maybe this. Hmm. No, huh? 1 second. I need to understand what is my password. I need to understand what is my password. Okay. Okay, okay, I have it. I have it. 1 second. I have it. So should be like this. Should be maybe. We did it. We did it, boys. Good evening, Hula. And go for the experiment stream. I have a problem with the sound. Um, you cannot hear me or what? Can you hear me, Hula? Sit. So now what do we do? Documents, applications. What? Expansion failed. Implementation required for this operation is missing. Can you hear me okay, Ulla, or not? Can you hear me? I can't. It's a little cut sometimes at the beginning. I see. Maybe there is hello, 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 hello. I don't know if there is a speak to talk, I mean, key press to talk or something like that. I cannot do much. I cannot do much about it. I cannot do much about it. But okay, we are trying to install this thing, but it seems that it's not working. Let me try to just expand it in a random place. Like maybe we create a new directory. We call it Winamp, and then we choose this. Expansion failed. Implementation required for this operation is missing. What does it mean? Maybe the seat is not. Select archive to expand. Winamp seat. No, I think it's expansion failed. Expansion failed. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it means. Maybe it's not. Maybe this format is not supported. Winamp on Mac expansion failed. I mean, it's not that important, but anyway, I wanted to have it, but. Or it didn't download it fully, or there is some other problem. I can try to download another version. The one that we downloaded was what? Was 071. Yeah, I think it's the same. Winamp for Mac 0.71 PPC. PPC GG. If it's still 32-bit, it will not run anyway. Hello, Phoenix. No, not Tiger because I'm streaming from Mac, and on Mac I don't have. I don't understand how this thing works. So I click on a link to download, and then what happens? Do I see the download anywhere or not? In theory, it's here, but there is no video. Hey, bro, I clicked on download, but it's not downloading anything. Mac is so strange. Mac is so strange. I don't even understand where to look at the stuff, you know? . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Stuff it is the one that we have. No, and this thing is Stuff it expander. So in theory, but why if I click on this is not downloading it? I downloaded already. It's not putting it here again because it's the same name, you think? Expansion failed. Okay, GG. I don't know, it's weird. Um, yeah, I think it's the same file. Yeah, I think it's exactly the same file. It's impossible that it's 182 kilobytes. I mean, how it can be so small? That's very strange, huh? 182 kilobyte is strange. It's very strange. Winamp, Winamp, Winamp. Maybe I should just download it from here. Latest desktop. It's only on Windows. It's only on Windows, but the Mac cannot play MP3 by default. I mean, it cannot play MP3. That's kind of strange. I wanted to play, but anyway. I mean, it's not a problem. I just wanted to set up, our streaming on Mac the same way. Let me try to open this MP3. Maybe just playing with something. Welcome to Apple Music. See how your data is managed. No, thank you. Yeah, the only problem is that I think it's going through the it's going through the PC. So it's not going, and we don't have here a source. We don't have a source. A device. No, in theory, I think is enough if I route. Maybe I should just route the sound. No? Oh my God, it's so loud. Okay. It was super loud in my ears, like a lot. I hear myself though now. Now I hear myself for whatever reason. Select a device for sound output. But yeah, as soon as I do this, the output goes there. But if I do this, I hear myself. I don't know why. Voice input volume. What is this thing? Input volume. I think we will stay without music, guys. Is I don't know. It's too complex. So I will leave it like that. Otherwise, I hear myself and it's annoying. I hear myself speaking. Okay. So what we want to do. So why you may say why you are on Mac? I am on Mac because by the way, I will have to update GG. I will have to update YouTube with poof. I will have to post on Discord. It's all stuff that I cannot do from here. Let me try. If I go YouTube on my stuff, can I log in? Blend Shift RPG. I'm not sure I'm using this. Oh my God, I knew it. Open Gmail on my iPhone. Okay. Okay. Where is my iPhone here? Yeah, because I mean, it's all stuff that we never tested, boys. And is my voice too loud, too quiet? How is it? Okay, I think I authorized it. I authorized it from the phone. Okay, I'm logged in now. I'm logged in on YouTube, which is nice. So if I go here, wow, the volume is kind of high. Um, Haha. I can do that. I can do that. There is a Mac experiment. Hello, Phoenix. Yes, is a Mac experiment because I want to understand if I can stream from here while I'm developing the Mac stuff, right? Um, but it's not very easy, so I will try. So Unreal Develop. So if I copy this now, usually what I do. Obviously, on this machine, I don't have all my links. I don't have anything. So everything is way harder to do than on my other machine. Like it's taking me so much time. Um, like for example, this. Oops. No, huh? Why? No, GG, bro. Nah, the shortcut. Oh my God, everything is different. Okay, let's do it with a notepad. I think it's the easiest. Let's do it with a notepad. Otherwise, it's impossible. Yeah, all the shortcuts are different. I cannot use Alt Tab. I have to use the Mac key tab to switch between things, and is very strange. Everything is very strange. Everything is very strange. So I'm definitely slower, right? I'm slower to do pretty much anything, but I think I can improve. It will just take me some time, but I think I can improve. Let me see. Having no music is so unfortunately, but I think if I put on any music, but at least I can stream and I can see the chat, right? Which is pretty good. So let me try to paste this in the general channel. Yes, it works. So this works. But I don't have Unreal. I don't have the other channel. That's a good point. Because usually I post my link also on these other yeah, having one screen only is super annoying anyway. So I think I can try to install a second screen. You see, the last one was me. The last one was me. The last one. You must be a member for at least 10 minutes to send message in this server. GG. Yeah, but the last one was me, you see. It was yesterday. So no one else posted anything in here. Okay, anyway, that's good. I cannot really update Facebook, Twitter, and whatever else, so I didn't think about it, but yes, I cannot. I cannot do that. Um, all my announcements, pretty good. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Mac is weird, yes, it's very weird. I mean, having the X on the top left instead of the top right is the first thing that is very strange, right? Okay, so what we want to do, the reason why we are here is that for some reason, for some reason, um, by the way, yes, I have all this stuff open, but it's fine. Yeah, for some reason, the Mac pointer, the Mac cursor, right, is the hardware one is not working at all, right? It's just not working, and I don't know why. So my idea is, first of all, if we can test the client in debug mode, right, instead of shipping mode, that would already be good. The only problem is that I don't know how to do it, but I think that we can, or we launch it from Xcode, or we have to launch it from the editor. I think from the editor we can launch it. We can launch the client at least, right? And try to connect, we can try to connect to the server side, or because I want to understand if it's a packaging problem or if it's really just a Mac issue, right? That is what I want to understand. So I think I need to create kind of a shortcuts on my desktop or something. Otherwise, is there a keyboard to show desktop? No, huh? To like minimize all the window. Mac how to minimize all the windows. Command M. No, Command M is minimizing one. Option. What do you mean option? I don't have an option key. You mean control? You mean alt? No, GG. I don't have an option key. What is option? What is option command? No idea. Mac. What is the option key? What is the option key? I don't have the option key in this keyboard. So I'm missing a key. Oh my God, I'm missing a key. No, because the Windows key is the Apple key. So when they say command is the Windows key, which in theory is the Mac one. but but if you press the Windows key, it's like pressing command. But there is another one which is the option that we miss. So I have this one, I don't have this one. Okay, GG. We cannot minimize all the windows. GG, just GG. Okay, so no, the point is, I think would be nice if we can. By the way, we have a nice. If we can create some shortcuts, right, on the desktop to just launch the stuff that we need. So, for example, we need. This is the Mac client in shipping, right? But I think I want to launch the client in not in shipping. I want to launch it from the editor, right? So I have my scripts, but my scripts are built for Windows, right? So if I open this guy, no, anyway, it's not this one, but if I open this guy that is like client, right? I have this one that is client. Yes. But obviously, this one, I think it makes no sense on Mac, right? I think it makes no sense on Mac. I need to find, so let me duplicate this guy, and we can call it, he made it, no, F2 is not working, GG. We can call it Mac client or client Mac. Let's call it client Mac. And I have to do .sh, I guess, right? So if I do client Mac.sh, and then here I put so the directory should be under engine. So Luke, Unreal Engine, binaries. Now here it will be a bit different, because yes, his UE editor is this one. So can I open a prompt in this directory? Would be very nice. Is there an open terminal? New terminal at folder. Great idea. Now we speak. So basically I need this, right? Which I assume I can somehow copy. Uh-oh. I have to use Mac. Oh my God. I have to use the Mac key. And then we have the EU editor, EU4 editor, right? EU4 editor app. I don't think we have a debug version of it, so I think it may be just like this, ueditor.app, and then we need the I don't know what is the difference between PS Unreal 427 PS Unreal. It is very strange. The dates, this one is the 5th of October, so it seems that this one is the one, right? I don't know why I still have the other one though. Okay, let's assume that is this one. So we have to go on the scripts. And no. We have to go. Where do we have to go? It should be in the main directory. Yeah, this one, PS Unreal U project. Okay, so let me open another terminal here so we can just do this. It will probably require quotation, but yes. So we do that. We do this. We do this, and then it's PS Unreal project. Okay. And then I save this thing. Okay. So if I want to launch this, right? What happens now? Assuming that this client Mac is in the right directory. I think it's in the other scripts. No mistakes were made. I mean, it's the same, but I mean, because I have the path, specified fully, but I am so slow to work on this Mac. I am so slow, you have no idea. Compared to, do you think he moved it? He's making some strange sounds like bleep, blop, bleep, blop, bleep, blop. I don't see it. Didn't move it. I see. Client Mac. Okay, so if we go scripts, right, and we launch client Mac. There was also a client SH. No, a client SH is what? Client SH is for Linux. Probably doesn't have the execute. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't have the execute, boys. User lookup is a directory. Well, yes. I mean, true, but it's also the app. So how do you start the app? How do you start the app? I don't know. I mean, he has a content macOS binary, I guess. No, it's fully empty. GG. Okay. I think I have no idea how to do it then. Probably it's not under bind. So how do I start the editor? Okay, we need to search this because I don't know. Mac Unreal Start Editor command line. The problem is that now everything will be for Windows, right? Let me see if you're saying something. Unfortunately, I don't have to. Hello, Marcellum. Control, I think. You think Control is the option key? I tried, but it didn't work. Good morning, Coach. Command line in macOS. Command line in macOS. No, not this command line. I mean, just to launch the thingy. I mean, I can also just launch it and then load my project, but I think would be better if I can, because for example, right, we can take maybe the example of I have the shipping client command, right? This one is the one that allows me to actually build, right? And is using run UAT command. Yeah, I don't know if we have, do we have an Unreal Engine command? But I don't know. Luckily, it is like Linux, so it's a bit easier, right? No, there is no. Ah, there are commands on. Nah, but this doesn't look like the way to do it. It doesn't look like the way to do it. Let me try to ask. Maybe there is someone. I mean, not in our channel, in the in the other channel. By the way, now I can post my thingy because 10 minutes went through, so I can post this. Aha! I can post that. You see? So where is the Mac? Where is the Mac development thingy? It should be here, no? UMG Linux Mac. Hi. How do I launch the editor with a project from command line? Example. So what I'm trying to do is this, but is evidently not correct. I'm trying to do this. I'm trying this, but it's evidently not correct. That's the problem. That's the problem. Yeah, because you cannot. I don't think you can launch an app. I don't know how do you launch an app from command line. Well, maybe that's the question. Maybe it's just a generic Mac question. How to launch How to launch an app from terminal, exactly. How do you, maybe someone answered already? No. I heard the blip. Locate the application finder, right click the application, select show package content. Locate the executable file. That is a good idea. So if I go here, under binaries, no, no, wait, relax. Under Unreal Engine. Under Unreal Engine, binaries Mac, right? So what they are saying is if you right click, U4 editor, right? And you do what? Select, right click an application and select show package, show package content. It's completely empty, boys. It's completely empty. So probably because was never compiled. That's possible, huh? That was never compiled. Okay, let's launch it through the editor 1 second. But I think that the problem is that it was never compiled except for shipping. Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think this thing was never compiled. Now the problem is that I need my wiki. I need my wiki. I need under programming. Oh my God. Can we have a dark theme for Safari? Yeah, that's absolutely needed. I cannot stand that anymore. Dark theme Safari. Command Option P. No, I don't have command. Command Option P. Turn off dark mode for Safari. I don't even know where the options are in this thing. Where are the options in, because this thing is something else. This doesn't have anything. This I don't know what is it. Where are the options? They are here because they go in the top bar. Yes. I forgot. I forgot. Edit. There should be options somewhere. History, no. View. Customize. File. Safari. Safari extend. Safari preferences. But you have a virtual keyboard somewhere. Maybe I can use the virtual keyboard. Yeah, that's a good idea. General website extension. Safari open new page. Aspetto. Tabs. Autofill. Security. Privacy. Website. Extension. Advanced. I feel like a baby moving his first steps, you know? Hey, bro, this thing is not correct. Oh my God. Nah, it's not. I mean, this is the Safari on Windows. My problem is Safari on Mac. Dark mode for Safari, $3.49. Oh my God. The Mac universe is insane. So you have to pay $4 to have the dark mode in Safari. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Turn on dark mode for your Mac in System Preferences in the General section. What? Dark or auto? Ah, in the preferences of general, but in the preference of the Mac, because it's Apple menu system preferences. So you can make okay, appearance in the appearance. Where is appearance? I don't see appearance. Appearance. It's already dark, bro. It's already dark. It's already dark. If I go light, oh my God! If I go light, it's even worse. No, I mean dark. Yeah, at the moment is making dark the windows, but not the content. I want the content to be dark. Hmm. I think is really the $4. That is why so many of us boycott Apple. Yes. I mean, I can install Chrome and maybe we solve the problem, right? I hope that Chrome for Mac is you don't have to pay for it, right? And Chrome has dark mode 100%. I mean, it's a bit of a pity because I would prefer to use Safari if possible, but I don't know. We are having just some fun on Mac tonight. I don't know if it will be. What is this thing? Ah, this one is asking you to move it to apps. Yeah, we have the same problem with plane shift because when you download something, right? I don't know how to create this thing, but we would need the same also for plane shift so that is automatically moved under applications. Bloong. I heard a weird sound. It said bloong. Okay, I think we will definitely close the Safari forever. I don't know. How can I put something on this bar? That would be nice. So if I go under applications now and I go on Chrome, hopefully. No, huh? Google Chrome. Okay. How can I make this part of the Google Chrome is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, if I downloaded it, probably there is a reason that I downloaded it, huh? Google Chrome notification may include alerts. Google Chrome notification may include alerts. Okay. Google Chrome is ready to complete installation. Set Google Chrome default browser. Automatic sending statistics. No, thank you. Do you want to change the full Chrome browser? Yes, use Chrome, please. It's dark by default. Very nice. It's dark by default. It's dark by default. No, it's not. That would have been too nice. That would have been too nice. So if I go what? Settings, extensions, team. I wanna extension, search extension, dark mode. No, huh? No, no. Dark mode, global dark theme for the web. I don't know the one that I have in, but anyway, I think it's the same, huh? 2 million, 2 plus 2 million users. Wow. Dark mode has been added to Chrome. Okay. Very nice. Very bad. Very nice. Okay. Okay, now our life will be better. Our life will be much, much, much better. Our life will be so much better, boys. Okay, let's link the PS Wiki as the first thing. Nice. Let's link PlaneShift bug tracker. No, PlaneShift.it. But yes, I would say also the bug tracker. What is the bug tracker here? Nice. Nice. Okay, so we have the wiki, our website, and okay, so we are slowly configuring this, huh? We are slowly making this thing work. Okay, very nice. Yeah, so what I wanted, that is not the best, huh? But anyway, this is not the best. Yeah, what I wanted, we wanted building PS Unreal on Mac. So the way we did it, why this one doesn't open? Okay, it opens now. The way we did it, I think that was you need about 120 gigabyte of disk space. Huh. 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 I mean, I have some space, but I don't have infinite space. I have 500 gigabytes on this machine. So, are you saying something? Sorry, because I don't have the second screen. So, Dark Reader. Yeah, maybe it was called Dark Reader. Yeah, it was called Dark Reader, actually. You're right. I think I installed dark mode, but it was I think it was Dark Reader. Is the one that I use on yeah, it's this one, it's this one. Oh, even if this one has 4 million users. So now I need to disable the other one, otherwise Dark Reader. Let me see if my wiki let me see if my wiki is nicer with the Dark Reader. Yes, you're saying? Yeah, the Dark Reader is smarter than the other dark guy. I mean, they are both dark, and so I like them, um, but um, the Dark Reader is better. Okay. Okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, the Dark Reader is the one that I'm using on the other machine and is working better. So basically now we have in Xcode this thing, right? We have in Xcode this thing. Unreal math test, building PS Unreal log, build PS Unreal. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Now, I think I tried to build it already, but it was giving like a million errors, right? Now, because the point is that if you want to launch it, I think if I want to launch it from the editor, I need to compile it in kind of editor mode, right? Um, what is this? I need to compile it in like in editor mode, right? So to compile it in editor mode, what our guide is saying, because we have a guide, because we are professional developers here, boys. Not on Mac, but install the latest version of Xcode. Install the command line running. Blah, blah, blah. Get the access to Unreal source code. This is to compile Unreal. Okay. Then we get PS Unreal. Yes. Um, building the MariaDB connector. Actually, if you only do the client, I think it's not needed. But libzip may be needed. Uh-oh. 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 Optional, if you need to create a second significant, you can do it by opening Xcode, click on the Xcode menu preference account. I think I have it already. Ah, so we were building like this, huh? We were building like that. Hmm, okay. I was not remembering this. So I don't need Xcode. We can do it from here directly, which is definitely better. The only difference of this is that I need uh, I need to call not this PS Unreal, but I need to call this PS Unreal 4.27, right? Which is the directory where we have the stuff. Let me see what happens. Unable to find project file based on the yeah, okay, so probably is not spelled like that. I think is should be users Luke and then PS Unreal, yeah, PS Unreal 427. Yeah, well, can you? Oh my, no, you cannot. Ah, yes, you can, but with what? With Alt? Oh my God. Yeah, it's slightly different. Slightly different. No, 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 no. What I'm doing? Um, PS Unreal 427. Okay. So he's seeing it like that, huh? 427 and then PS Unreal U project. So yeah. So why doesn't like it? Because there is a space. Yeah. By the way, why I decided to put a space? I don't know. Project user PS Unreal 427. PS Unreal U project. Yes, correct. Why doesn't like it? Why doesn't like it? I don't know. Unable to find project file based on argument. Bro, I don't know what to tell you. I mean, it is there. Hmm. Should I remove the space? Okay, let's remove the space. GG. Let's remove the space. Let's remove the space. I don't know. It seems that it doesn't like it. So um, seems it doesn't like it. Okay, let's try it like this. Uh-oh, what happened? What happened here? The workspace file disappeared. Do you want to resave the container? No. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. The Mac is like saying, why are you doing it? I mean, some files completely disappear. Yes, it didn't like the space. GG Epic Games. GG Epic Games. Didn't like the space like during the 90s. During the 90s, when you were not yet born, we had this kind of problems. Also during the 80s, we had this kind of problem. I mean, if you were like creating a directory with a space, I mean, everything was going nuts. Everything was going nuts. Now, the question is how much time it will take. I think it will take a lot of time. You finished already? Because this was the generate project files. Okay, we did the generate project files. So we did this. Mm, launch Xcode. After generate project file, you have to do it with. Okay. Okay, this is our guide, by the way. I wrote this, by the way. I wrote this, but a long time ago. Open a project. Open a project. PS Unreal 27. What? Um. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Then our guide, what is our guide saying? Select the EU4 blue icon for the project icon on the left. What is this one? And click on project navigator icon. Looks like a folder icon. Yes, this one. This one. You see that it's written like you have no idea what you're doing? Yes, because I wrote it myself. Click on signing and capabilities. Click on signing. No, wait. Select the UI blue icon on the project on the left. Click on the project navigator. Click on the signing capability. I don't have signing capability. Ah, I have it there, but I don't have it here. Ah, yes, I have it here. U4 PS Unreal. Signing and capabilities. Okay, signing and capabilities. Your company.ps Unreal. Kind of unlikely, but and leave team empty. Leave team. Team is already none. Team none. Sign to run locally. Sign to run locally, yes. Click on the build setting and search signing identity. Click on the build setting and search on signing identity. Okay, I found it. Signing identity by clicking on others and clearing the field. Remove everything. Remove everything there by clicking on others. Remove. Clicking on run. Clicking on others. Hey, there is this thing, bro. I don't know. Should I? What? Or use sign run locally. This way to disable the signing completely. Okay. Bah. It was already like this basically. And then he's saying to do product build, huh? Product build. GG. We never work. Build failed. Instantly. Build failed like instantly. Okay. PS Unreal. Cannot code sign because the target does not have an info plist file and one is not being generated automatically. Apply an info plist file to the target using info file build setting or generate one automatically. Oh my god. What is this? Cannot I remember this file though. I remember. Let me search info plist. No? Info Info plist. I remember this one. I didn't mention it in our no in our guide. No. No. Okay. We didn't eh, GG. Um, maybe. Nah, no. Mm, hmm. Good question. One second, I need to search. What is my login on this? In theory, should be that, but probably I changed it. One second. One second. My login on that. I don't have it. No, no, I don't have it. You serious? Let me just check if it's at least the username. But yes, if this username is Starling for sure. Username. Okay. I think I have it. 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 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Uh-oh. No. No. It's not that. It's not that. Why? Why is not that? Oh my god. Okay. I have another idea. I have another idea. Yeah, because I have it recorded on the other PC, but not on this one. What are you saying, meanwhile? Darky, just wait. I'm acquiring Apple and deprecating macOS to be replaced with Windows. I like anyway. Um, I like anyway to develop on Mac. Ah. Okay, I like anyway to develop on Mac and on Linux and to to have our game running on 3 platforms is so nice. I really like it. So the problem here is that we don't have this p info mentioned anywhere. This p info, no, info p list. Also, I don't see it. There is a troubleshooting here, but okay, let me do this because we will solve it, I guess. But this time I want to record it, right? I want to record it. So during compilation from Xcode, you may get this error. You may get this error, right? Cannot code sign because the target does not have a p info, blah 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 blah, right? Automatically. So okay, so now we just need to understand what to do. But hopefully, because this p info file, I remember something, but I don't know if I solved it or I just gave up. Info pile. So Unreal Engine, why I cannot have my block num enabled? I mean, why I cannot disable my block num somehow? No. Okay, GG. Info plist Unreal. How to solve could not find the game info plist. Exactly, exactly. Ah, you see, I clicked on that already. Look, I clicked on this already. Like Mickey others, I'm struggling to provisioning files. I read the doc, blah blah blah, to set up my project for iPad. Why for iPad? No provision found. I tried to launch on device on iOS. I experienced the same problem. I found a solution myself. I downloaded EU451. I opened a new project document. My document are real test build iOS info police copy. Real project paste here. What? It's in the same place. So what do you mean? 451, 4515. This worked on my project. It was 2017. Oh my god. If you still have an issue with launching your game for iOS on your device, you can try the following. Use the iPhone package. No, but bro, we are not. We are not. Ha! Look at this. Oh my god. My Mac Rosetta or any Mac Intel? Because I am on I am on an M1 processor, right? So at the moment, in theory, we are compiling it. I think we are compiling M1. Let me see if doing any Mac is changing anything or no, it's failing. It's failing instantly. Cannot code sign. But you see, the problem is about code signing. The problem is about code signing. Remove all obsolete provisioning file from your project. Remove all your certificate from your project. Remove, verify you don't have any provisioning. Follow the official provisioning guide. Okay, let's try to see this. So remove obsolete provision file. I've been trying to remove some of the old mobile provision file. It makes me no. Apple computer mobile. Yeah, but this is on Windows. Anyway, mobile device provisioning file. I'm Mac. Library mobile device provisioning profiles. Do you think that this thing exists on my machine? I don't know. Obviously, it doesn't. Obviously, it doesn't. This thing is not. This thing is not. Is there a generic library? There's a generic library though. Library, mobile. No. Mobile. No, there is no mobile. So I don't have that directory anyway. So also because I don't develop anything mobile. So I like Mac too, Windows and Mac than Ubuntu. But yeah, I think we don't have any. So the deletion is not important. iOS provisioning guide from Epic. iOS provisioning guide. Provisioning profile and sign-in certificate. Create a provisioning profile and sign-in certificate so you can package iOS, iPad. Bro, but I'm doing it without any problem with the command line. So I already ship on Mac without any problem. I'm just trying to do it from Xcode. I think that's our problem at the moment. Wait. Let me do one thing. Because I think that somewhere, okay, if I click on this and I search, info, custom application target property, bundle identifier. Let me search, can I search in this? No, would have been too nice, huh? I can search here though. Let me search for info dot plist. Info dot plist values. Setting PS Unreal. App can run independently for companion app. No. App is available on Apple Watch. No. Apple application category. None. Application manifest. No. Application is agent. Application background. Bundle display complete. Because I remember there was a setting to ask the automatic generation of this thing. Required full screen, status bar, status style, packaging. You see, packaging, adjust file name, create pinfo section in binary, don't force pinfo generation. Can I say yes and try again? Build failed. Insta build failed. Because here is saying something. Here is saying apply an info plist file to the target using the info plist file build setting, or generate one automatically by setting the generate info p file building to. Yeah, exactly. This is the one that I think this is the one that I need to do. I need to ask him to generate it automatically. Generate info p file. I think that's what I need to do. Generate info. You see? Generate info p file. Yes. What did I change though? I want to set it back to what it was. I changed this don't force. Okay, so we changed the generate info p file. This is what we. Oh my God. There are like trillions of settings. It's doing something. Okay, so I think that's it. Generate info plist file. Generate info plist file. So you need to go under build setting, okay? You need to go under build settings. What the hell? Where is my what? Okay, so click on the left on the folder icon, then PS Unreal, then on the right select build settings, search for generate info.plist file, and search for generate and set it to yes. Okay, by the way, we already crashed, but run script, build phase, sign manual framework will be run. Okay, these are all only warnings, so we don't care about that. We don't care about that stuff. But here we have a problem, huh? Because there is this freaking compiler setting. Yes, I remember this. Okay, yes, I need to pass this to the compiler because variable set but unused, the W variable set but unused. Okay, so this is another problem that I had already. It's only on Mac. I think, if I remember right. Do recompilation from Xcode. You may get this error. What? Yes, because I pressed the wrong key. I have to press the Apple thingy. No. Yeah, you cannot do that. Yeah, I just need to adapt a bit myself to this. Okay, so what happened? No. It took also the next line. No, I don't want you. Oh my God, why? Why I cannot go to the beginning of the line? If I press 7, doesn't work. If I press home, doesn't work. If I press whatever, doesn't work. I think there is another key to do that on Mac. But anyway, so during combination we get this error. La 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 la. So here we need to disable this. We need to pass this thing. We need to remove this. We need to remove this. I don't remember. I think I did this already, but I didn't. But I didn't save it anywhere. I think I didn't save it anywhere. I think I didn't see it anywhere. I think I didn't. Bro, without the ability to go to the end is so annoying. Wow. Ah, no, because wait. Because I have compiled. I was like, what? Xcode. Exactly. Where do I put it? Yes. Just started seeing this XML. I showed up last night. I'm also stuck on this. Can you open? You can open the Unreal Build Tool SLN project Engine folder Visual Studio search manual and remove it. Build Unreal Engine because when I fix a file is located in the Mac tool chain. Yeah, I just would like to remove that single one though. I don't want to remove. I don't want to remove. I don't want to remove a million, right? Errors. I just want to remove that one. But anyway, shared user share Epic Games, U4 Engine, source program, rebuild tool, platform, Mac tool chain. So basically, we need probably this. Where are we? In library. Bad idea. So if I edit, no, let me see if it exists first. If I edit this, yes, and then we search for W all, exactly. W all, W error. Now, it would be nice to only suppress that particular one, right? So I don't want to suppress them all. But did I do it in my shipping thingy? Let me check one second because I think I have a feeling that I did that because I had the same problem. Yeah, because actually I compiled Unreal on Mac already, right? A number of times, but not this way. So I just build it. I just build it shipping. I didn't build it. So, let me see if I added this. No, no, I didn't. I didn't add. I didn't, huh? I was thinking that I added something here on the command line, but it seems that I didn't. Strange. Strange. Let me see. Let me see in this other directory. Run build cook package this client when shipping output Mac platform skip check build all maps stage archive. No. Okay. So the question is, how do I disable that? I disable. Why Safari is still open, by the way? Why Safari is anyway? Um, So how do I disable only that one? Because I would like to disable only that one. So if I pass minus, if I pass this, am I enabling it or am I disabling it? Variable set but not used, right? Yeah. How do you pass it to the compile? A new warning of user variable parameter. Behavior as well as change now to include a new warning flag. This may result in new warning code that clean compile, for example, blah blah blah. As a workaround, add minus W no error. You see? Minus W no error. Or minus no error. Minus W no error. Unused. Bus set variable. Unused bus set parameter. I would like to try, because I don't like disabling all the other thingies. I just would like to disable this one. So I don't know if it will work though, but so if I hello, if I resave it like this, right, and I just launch the build again, do you think that it will pick it up immediately or not? Let's see. In theory, it's just a stricter check. You have some variables that are declared but you are never using, right? And any complaints about it. So in theory, those variables should just be removed. But again, it's a matter of time versus benefit, and I just prefer to disable it. We are getting some warnings instead of errors, so probably it worked actually. Probably it worked. Because you see that there are some they became warnings. They became warnings instead of errors. But by the way, this stuff is inside Unreal. It's not inside. It's not inside PlaneShift, huh? This stuff is inside Unreal. You know what? I think I will drink a beer. Do you want to drink a beer with me? You can take a beer as well, and we can drink it together. Wait, I'm taking a beer and I'm coming back. And I will also take some chips, maybe. Yeah, why not? Why not? Do you want a cold beer or do you want all kinds of beers would be? Maybe a cold one. Why not? Bling. And yes, we also take some chips. Why not? It's Friday. Now, the only thing you probably don't hear me, huh? Now, the only thing I have to be sure is I'm not spilling it, and I'm not spilling it here. Yeah, it seems that it's working anyway. I don't know, it went further than before for sure, huh? It went further than before. Okay, let's document. Let's assume that it works and let's document it. So you may get this error, okay? In this case, open We have to open this file. We have to open this file, right? No, come on. Copy. So we have to, in this case, open this, right? Open this file and change. I think we can put the line, even if the line will change, because the line will change for sure in the future. So I don't have line numbers. No. No, I don't have line numbers. How do I add lines? I don't remember. I don't remember. VI show line numbers. VI show line numbers. Set number. Set number. Set number. Ah, thank you. So 219. 218. So 219, 218, whatever. Copy, 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 and change line 218 to this. Ah, professionals. Look at this. We are documenting everything. So that in the future, if you need it, boys, is here. The wiki is available, is indexed by Google. So if for any reason you have this problem as well, you can fix it. You can fix it. I will have to eat some chips, but I think if I eat some chips, I need to mute myself. Otherwise, you will hear a lot of crunching, you know? Mm. Pretty good, eh? Pretty good, boys. The Mexican one? No, I'm drinking the Italian one. It's beer o'clock. Glue, glue, glue. Hello, Constable. We are streaming from Mac. Incredible but true. You see at the top here these weird menus. Look, we have some very weird menus. These are Mac menus, Apple menus, system preferences. Look at how weird it is. The Mac. Siri, I can speak with Siri. Look at how weird it is. Energy saver. What is this? Energy saver. Turn off display after 10 minutes. Prevent your Mac from automatically sleeping. Wake for network access. While sleeping, your Mac can receive incoming network traffic. No, 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 no. Absolutely not. No one can wake up my Mac. No way. Screen time. What is screen time? Loading screen time. The insight about your screen time and set limits for what you want to manage. Weekly report. So you can have a report on how much you are using your PC. Okay. Extension, language and regions, user and group. Ah, keyboard. Maybe on the keyboard we can your Logitech device cannot be identified and will not be used until it is identified. If your keyboard is working properly, you have an additional USB input device connected, you may quit this application. No, I want press the key immediately to the right of the shift key. The left side of the keyboard. Europe. Europe, Middle East, ANSI North American, and North American. Yeah, but my problem is the option. Bro. It's because the you see this key works. The Control M, so not the control, the Apple key I have. I don't have the option. I don't have the option key. No, we don't have it. We don't have the well, maybe it's the other one. Wait. No. No, because I have two Windows key. One on the, where is this one? Wait. I found another strange key. No. No, it's not. Anyway. Meanwhile, it is compiling, huh? It is absolutely compiling, boys. It is absolutely compiling. Without errors. Let me hear the noise that I'm making. No, it's pretty low. If I move the microphone away, I think it's relatively low noise. Okay, so basically now we need to wait the compilation, boys. Oh my god, 2409, GG. This will take like 1 hour or so. So probably I need to switch to Windows. Probably I need to switch to Windows. Do I have a way to switch to Windows? No, I need to stop the stream and restart it, I guess. I can try to click on start streaming on the other side and see what happens. Let's do it. Because anyway, here this thing is going on forever, so it will take 1 hour, I think. But it's working, huh? It's working. So at the end of this process, we will have the editor built and plane shift built for any Mac, Intel, right? Which I think is the one that we want to use somehow. 18 errors? No, why 18 errors? No, they are only warnings. There are no errors at the moment. These are only warnings. So I think we are good. Mac menu are not strange at all. Hello, Fergus. I'm building on Mac. I'm also streaming from Mac. Insane, huh? I'm streaming from Mac and I'm building on Mac because I want to fix that mouse problem. Now that I have the new Mac Mini that is so much more powerful than the previous one, I think I can solve it because I can actually see why it happens on the Mac directly. While before I was just, compiling and then giving it to you or to other Mac people. Look at this weird thing. Everything is strange here on Mac. There is a Lime chat. What is Lime chat? It is probably something that I have installed myself, probably. Chess. Ah, we can play chess meanwhile. Easy. A 390 megabyte download is required to use a speech recognition in chess. No, why? What do you mean? Why you may need a speech recognition in chess? You can keep using an already logged in. What? Ah, we can play chess while it's compiling. It's a long time I don't play chess, actually. Can I move? Ah, yes, I can. Oh, it's becoming lit. I can touch the pieces without getting punished. Black to move. Oh my God, this guy spoke. This guy decided to speak. I heard it. Maybe you didn't, but it was speaking. Allow player to speak moves. Speak computer moves. I don't want him to speak. What do we do? We reinforce our line and then we exit with the bishop. I notice you are using Mac for stuff. Very nice. And with an M1 chip is really fast. Yeah, this is my. You want to see my system preferences? No, no. My about this Mac. This is my about this Mac. Mac Mini M1 2020 with 8 gigabyte of disk of memory and 500 of disk. Wow, we only have 100 gigabyte available. Oh my God. I think this compilation may take 100 gigabyte very easy. So I don't know if it will fit. If it doesn't fit, what should I do? I should add maybe an external disk. I can maybe add an external disk. Hey, the problem is that if you want it with more than 500 gigabytes, Apple is asking you so much money. If you want 1 terabyte, I mean, on a normal Windows PC, 1 terabyte is like, I don't know, 50 euro. Yeah, so it's like nothing. But on a Mac, 1 terabyte is like, I don't know, 300 euro. So or 400. I don't know even how much. So we may we may finish this space, huh? We are using 4K resolution here, but I think you see it the other way. Um, instant, instant checkmate, instant checkmate. You want to checkmate? I mean, we can checkmate, but then this guy will come here and we have to go back, and so basically you know, it's basically useless. Um, it's basically useless. If we move it there, yes, we can checkmate, which is nice, but it's just moving the pawn in front and whatever, right? Let's attack. Let's attack like this. Let's start to go out with our thingy. It's nice there is free chess on the Mac. Do you play chess? So here is our compilation, but it will take forever. I think I can switch to Windows, boys. I don't know what you think. We can play this game, but it's taking. I was just keeping an eye to see if it was speeding up, but it doesn't look like it's speeding up. So it doesn't look like. kernel task 150% CPU. OBS. Yeah, the other problem is that, yeah, the other problem is that our streaming is using anyway a good amount of the CPU. So just for the fact that we are streaming, we are delaying the compilation quite a bit. So probably is not a good idea to stream from here when we have to compile from the Mac Mini. But I'm pretty happy that it works. I mean, it works kind of well, actually. So what do? If we could put ourselves in a position where we eat and so he came here with this. I'm streaming 60 FPS. Yeah, exactly. I have 500 gig of memory with a lot of room for my other stuff. The problem, Fergus, is Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is really using a lot. So just the installation of Unreal is probably 20 or 30 gigabytes, but the compilation is about 100. So the total you need like 120 giga, 130 giga just for one compilation. So when we will test Unreal Engine 5 on Mac, probably I will need a separate disk, I think. I think I will. I like how this guy is kind of thinking about it, no? So he's he's waiting a bit and then he's moving. It's not instant. So it gives you the idea that he's actually thinking, while obviously it's not. So if you do that, he has to move there, but I cannot go in and should I do this? And then go with the other, but yeah, no, I think I need to free him first. I think we can attack here. Here is very, very weak at the moment, even if he will probably swap the two, right? But I think here at the moment is very weak. We can do a lot of damages there. Yeah. Now the problem is this pawn. When you move this pawn forward, that bishop is on our knight. So we need to. My U5 is 400 gigabyte. Huh. And the problem on Mac is that space is costing so much, but I can put an external drive, right? So if I put an external drive, I'm going a bit slower, but I'm not spending much money, right? So should we do this or should we also hmm. So our rook can go out. Ah, it did it, huh? It did it. So he opened this line. He opened this line. He opened this line. It means that he can build up on that line, which is kind of annoying. I think we can. I mean, we can take this, but then he takes this, and then unless we. I think we need to open the queen. We have the queen very, very. I mean, in a very bad position. Or we just do this and we defend it with the bishop. So if you want to eat it, we eat it with the bishop, right? No, it's going too slow. It's 165 out of 2,409, so it's totally GG. I need to switch to Windows. We can do some other stuff on Windows, I guess. What did he do? He moved this, huh? He moved this. So now if we go forward with this, it's not bad because that knight needs to move and or is getting eaten, right? And it doesn't have a lot of places to move. It can move there, it can move here, but here I'm eating it with the bishop, or it can move here, but here I can push it again. So I think yes, I'm gonna do this. Aha, you see, he's going back. Aha, he's scared. He's scared. He is very scared. Okay, so I think we can keep this defensive line, and we cannot eat this. We need to reinforce this point, right? Let's reinforce that point so that now this place is a. I mean, this bishop is pointing here. This rook. Okay. He decided to do that. Why decided to do that? Fine. Because this one is not pointing there. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Okay. 200. We are at 200 out of 2000, so we did 10%. No, I didn't see that. Boys, you didn't tell me. I didn't see it. But we can do this, but we lost a knight. Pretty bad. And we are all open now here. Oh my god, we are super open. We are super open. You know what we can do? I think we can have this bishop there. So he cannot move. No, but he can anyway. He can. He can anyway. This pawn is super annoying. He will reinforce it. Our EU5 rocket build is just 35 gigabytes. 35 gigabytes. This is becoming a problem, huh? This, boys, is becoming a problem. I think we did a big mistake when we ate with the pawn on the left, because now we cannot move up. We cannot reinforce this in any way, which is a problem. Which is really a problem. The only thing I can do, I think I can move with a rook here and reinforce it again, because now this point is becoming the center of the game. Yeah, you see how much is reinforcing it? And he has this there, so I think my solution is probably to move the queen here, but it's very risky. I think I'm in a very bad position at the moment. I'm in a super bad position. I mean, I can move the rook here, but then he will eat it with this, like with his knight. And then I will eat it with my pawn, and then he will eat it with the queen. So at the end, we will be 1-1 with nothing done. This is not the queen can eat this super easy because it's not defended. This situation is very, very bad. This situation is super bad. I think we need to attack on another point, but so in terms of diagonals, we have this guy that is stuck. This guy is pretty much stuck. You know what we can do? We can try to attack this. So if I move this here, and we start to be annoying on this line, even if probably the queen now will eat this. Huh? No, I didn't do it. Okay, nice. He didn't do it. So if we now strengthen this point, like with the rook, and then because we have these lines, right? But unfortunately, or we start to eat everything here. I can eat this with this. This will put this. If this guy wants to, but he will use this one. He will use this one. He will use that one. And I don't have an answer to that. I don't have an answer to that. That's very, 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 very bad. I can move my queen here. Yeah, I will do that. Let's see what happens. It's a bit of a bold move, but who cares? Okay. Because now I can eat this without too much trouble, right? But no, 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 no. This thing is pointing on my queen. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bad idea, boys. Bad idea. No, I'm fucked. I'm fucked. I'm fucked. Because this guy now will hit my. Oh no! That was the worst move in the universe. That was the worst move that ever existed. Oh my god, it's so GG. I can go back, but this bishop will eat my rook, my knight now. No. No. Nah, it was a super bad move. Now this will eat my thingy 100%. And I don't have an answer to that. Oh fuck. He hit my queen. This is even worse than what I was expecting. Clicks undo. I don't know if there is an undo. Wait, moves? Yeah, yeah, it's possible. No, but taking back the move is super bad. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Now we need to move this because otherwise this thing is eating us, right? Now this it will probably push this line with a queen. It can push this line or not. Wow, it's pushing like that. Holy shit. But it's not lost, it's not lost. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Oh fuck, it is lost. I cannot move. It is lost. What can I do? I can put this in the middle. It's the only move I have. I can put this in the middle, but if I put it in the middle... No! GG. Okay. Okay, I think I will start the stream on the other side. Do you want to keep this document? No, I mean, why I should keep it? I lost so bad. So 322. Okay, I will monitor this compilation and from the other side and I will switch. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I click on start stream on the other side. Let's see what happens. Maybe it just continues from there, you know? Maybe he's super smart and it's just continuing from there. Let's see what happens. That would be beautiful. That would be insane. Hey, I need to launch Streamlabs. Go live. Confirm and go live. No, it gave an error. That would have been insane, but no, it gave an error. I have not seen a player lose so fast in a long time. Okay. Well, it's versus a computer, you know. So I need to end and start from the other side, okay? So see you in a second.